Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Decorative Dream. Welcome to our YouTube channel dedicated to the timeless beauty and craftsmanship of wooden bed designs. Whether you are an interior design enthusiast, a homeowner planning to upgrade your bedroom, or someone who simply loves the warmth and elegance of wooden furniture, this channel is your ultimate destination for inspiration, ideas, and expert advice. Our channel showcases a wide variety of wooden bed styles, ranging from traditional carved masterpieces to sleek, modern, minimalistic designs. We believe that the bed is not just a piece of furniture, it's the heart of the bedroom and a reflection of your taste, lifestyle, and comfort. With wood being one of the most durable, aesthetically pleasing materials, our channel focuses on its endless design possibilities, practical benefits, and long term value. Each video explores unique bed frame styles such as king size and queen size wooden beds, storage beds, platform beds, and customized headboards. We cover a range of wood types including teak, oak, shisham, walnut, and engineered wood, helping viewers understand which materials are best suited for their needs and budget. From luxurious curved beds that echo royal elegance to the space saving minimalist design for small rooms, our content caters to a variety of taste and room sizes. We also offer insights into the combining beds with other furniture like side tables, dressing tables, and wardrobes to create a perfectly coordinated bedroom set. In addition to showcasing designs, we dive into the working tips, bed maintenance advice, and buying guides to make your selection process smooth and informed. Our before and after transformation videos show how a stylish wooden bed can completely elevate the look and feel of any bedroom space. We collaborate with skilled carpenters, furniture designers, and home decor experts to bring your content that is both inspiring and informative. Whether you are furnishing a master bedroom, a guest room, or a kids' room, you will find creative and practical ideas here. Our goal is inspire you to make the most of your bedroom design while helping and you understand the function and decorative value of wooden furniture. We keep with wooden beds designs from around the world. So, if you are inspires you to make the most out of your bedroom design while helping you understand the functional and decorative value of the wooden furniture. Subscribe to our channel and join our growing community. Thank